Tawa Fry is a popular Indian dish. It is a simple yet flavorful egg dish. People love it for its delicious taste. It is a staple in many Indian households. This non-vegetarian delight is easy to make. It is a quick and satisfying meal. Tawa Fry is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It can be enjoyed by people of all ages. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. These videos feature soft sounds. These sounds can be relaxing and enjoyable. Cooking videos often use ASMR techniques. The sounds of chopping, sizzling, and mixing can be very calming. These sounds can create a relaxing and immersive experience. ASMR cooking videos can be a great way to de-stress. Tawa Fry has a rich history in India. This dish, known for its simplicity and flavor, has been a staple in Indian households for generations. The origins of Tawa Fry can be traced back to the bustling markets and vibrant streets of India, where vendors would prepare this delightful egg dish on large, flat griddles called tawas. These markets were not just places of commerce, but also hubs of culinary innovation, where traditional recipes were passed down and new ones were created. Eggs have been a part of Indian cuisine for centuries. They are versatile, nutritious, and easy to cook, making them a favorite ingredient in many Indian dishes. In traditional Indian kitchens, eggs were often used in a variety of ways, from simple boiled eggs to more elaborate preparations like curries and stir-fries. The Tawa Fry, with its unique blend of spices and herbs, stands out as a particularly beloved dish. The dish is believed to have originated in the northern part of India. Northern India, known for its rich culinary heritage, has given the world many iconic dishes, and Tawa Fry is one of them. The region's cuisine is characterized by its use of bold spices and hearty ingredients, and Tawa Fry is no exception. The dish likely started as a humble street food, enjoyed by locals and travelers alike. Over time, it has become popular all over the country. As people moved and migrated, they took their favorite recipes with them, and Tawa Fry was no different. Today, you can find this dish being prepared in homes and restaurants across India, each with its own regional twist. From the coastal areas to the mountainous regions, Tawa Fry has been embraced and adapted, reflecting the diverse culinary landscape of India. Tawa Fry is a testament to the diversity and richness of Indian cuisine. It showcases how a simple ingredient like an egg can be transformed into a flavorful and satisfying dish. The vibrant colors, aromatic spices, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones are all part of what makes Indian cuisine so special. Tawa Fry, with its humble beginnings, has become a symbol of this culinary tradition. It reflects the culinary ingenuity of the Indian people. Indian chefs and home cooks alike have a knack for taking simple ingredients and turning them into something extraordinary. Tawa Fry is a perfect example of this creativity and resourcefulness. Whether it's a quick breakfast, a hearty lunch, or a late-night snack, this dish continues to be a favorite among many, celebrating the timeless art of Indian cooking. Making Tawa Fry is simple. Heat oil in a flat pan. Crack the eggs directly onto the hot pan. Sprinkle salt, pepper, and any other spices you like. Cook until the whites are set and the edges are crispy. Flip the eggs and cook the other side. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with roti or bread. Tawa Fry is a treat for the senses. This dish, a staple in many households, is not just about taste, but also about the experience it offers. From the moment the ingredients hit the pan, you're in for a sensory journey. The sizzle of the eggs hitting the hot pan is the first sign of the deliciousness to come. It's a sound that promises a hearty meal, a sound that makes you anticipate the flavors that are about to unfold. The crackling sound is like music to the ears of any food lover. The aroma of the spices fills the air, making your mouth water. Each spice adds its own unique note to the symphony of flavors. The steam rising from the pan carries with it the essence of the spices, creating an olfactory experience that is simply irresistible. The crispy edges and soft, runny yolk create a delightful textural contrast. The crunch of the edges gives way to the creamy yolk, offering a perfect balance of textures. It's a dish that engages all your senses, making every bite a moment to savor. Each bite is an explosion of flavor and texture, making it a truly satisfying ASMR experience. The combination of the sizzling sound, the aromatic spices, and the textural contrast creates a multi-sensory delight. It's not just food, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or someone new to the world of culinary delights, Tawa Fry offers something special for everyone. So the next time you're looking for a dish that tantalizes your taste buds and offers an ASMR experience, look no further than Tawa Fry. Claymation is a unique and engaging animation technique. Using claymation for an Tawa Fry video can enhance its appeal. The stop-motion animation can bring a playful and whimsical feel to the video. The vibrant colors and textures of claymation can make the food look even more appetizing. Claymation can transform a simple cooking video into an entertaining and visually appealing experience. Eggs hold a significant place in Indian cuisine. They are a versatile ingredient used in countless dishes. In many Indian households, eggs are a staple breakfast item. They are also a popular choice for quick and easy meals. Eggs are seen as a symbol of nourishment and prosperity. They are often included in festive meals and celebrations. Food is an integral part of Indian culture and identity. Dishes like Tawa Fry are more than just recipes. They represent a shared heritage and a sense of community. The sights, sounds, and smells associated with these dishes evoke memories and emotions. They connect people to their roots and create a sense of belonging. Tawa Fry is a testament to the simplicity and deliciousness of Indian cuisine. This dish, which translates to eggs on a griddle, is a staple in many Indian households. It is a quick and easy recipe that brings together the richness of eggs and the aromatic spices that Indian cuisine is known for. The process of making Tawa Fry is as enjoyable as the dish itself. From the moment the eggs hit the hot griddle, the kitchen is filled with a symphony of sizzling sounds and mouth-watering aromas. The spices, carefully selected and blended, add layers of flavor that elevate the humble egg to a whole new level. It is a dish that appeals to all senses. The visual appeal of the golden brown eggs, the vibrant colors of the spices, and the fresh green garnish make it a feast for the eyes. The sound of the eggs sizzling on the griddle is music to the ears, while the aroma of the spices fills the air, making your mouth water in anticipation. The texture of the perfectly cooked eggs, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, is a delight to the touch. And finally, the taste. A perfect balance of flavors that dance on your palate, leaving you craving for more. The sizzle, the aroma, the texture, and the taste all contribute to a delightful culinary experience. Each element plays a crucial role in making Tawa Fry a dish that is not just eaten, but experienced. The sizzle of the eggs as they cook, the aroma of the spices as they blend together, the texture of the eggs as you take a bite, and the taste that lingers long after the meal is over. All these elements come together to create a sensory delight that is hard to forget. When combined with the ASMR elements of a cooking video and the visual appeal of claymation, Tawa Fry becomes more than just a meal. The ASMR elements, the gentle clinking of utensils, the soft sizzle of the eggs, the quiet rustle of the spices, add an extra layer of sensory pleasure. The visual appeal of claymation, with its vibrant colors and playful animations, makes the cooking process even more enjoyable to watch. It transforms the simple act of cooking into a form of art, where every movement, every sound, and every visual detail is carefully crafted to create a captivating experience. It transforms into an immersive and engaging experience that celebrates the rich culinary heritage of India. Anda Tawa Fry is not just a dish, it is a celebration of the flavors, aromas, and textures that define Indian cuisine. It is a dish that brings people together, whether it is a family enjoying a meal together or friends sharing a plate of Anda Tawa Fry. It is a dish that tells a story of tradition, of culture, and of the simple joys of cooking and eating. So, the next time you make Anda Tawa Fry, take a moment to savor the experience, to appreciate the sensory delight that it offers, and to celebrate the rich culinary heritage that it represents.